just Moscow. London, Paris, Tokyo, all reported invisible invaders. They can see us, but we can't see them. What's that? Electricity. Oh my God. The way it lit up that cop car. Electricity gives it away.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? You think that's cute? Look at that.